You've been told that if a woman shows no interest, you should either give up or try harder. But here's what no one tells you. Indifference isn't permanent. It's just her current reaction to how you're showing up. Change how you show up, and you can completely flip that reaction. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited you're here because today we're diving into something that could change everything. How to shift from being invisible to unforgettable, even when a woman initially shows zero interest in you. But before we start the video, make sure to leave a like and let me know what you think in the comments below. So here's the psychological framework that transforms indifference into genuine attraction. 1. Stop proving your worth through effort. When a woman isn't interested, most men double down with more attention, gifts, or availability. This actually decreases your value because it communicates desperation. Like a salesman who keeps lowering prices, it signals the product isn't worth much. Instead, maintain your standards and energy regardless of her response level. 2. Create curiosity through strategic gaps. Women's minds fill in blanks when information is missing. Instead of explaining your entire weekend, mention you had an interesting Saturday and change topics. Instead of constant texting, have engaging conversations, then disappear for days. Like a good book that ends, chapters on cliffers. She'll think about what comes next. 3. Demonstrate value through actions, not words. Don't tell her you're confident, ambitious, or interesting. Show it through your lifestyle. Pursue challenging hobbies. Build meaningful friendships. Work on projects that excite you, like a successful restaurant that never needs to advertise because word spreads naturally. Authentic value markets itself. 4. Make your attention scarce and valuable. Here's the psychology. People fear loss more than they desire gain. When you're always available, there's nothing to miss. But unpredictable attention makes her wonder, did I lose my chance with him? This creates genuine desire where none existed. 5. Become emotionally unpredictable. Consistency kills curiosity. Be present and engaged when together, then completely focused on your own world when apart. Interest in her ideas, then total focus on your goals. This contrast keeps her guessing and engaged. 6. Flip the script. You choose her. Stop seeking her approval and start evaluating if she deserves yours. You're interviewing her for a role in your already amazing life. When you become the selector instead of the selected, everything changes in your favor. This works because it triggers fundamental attraction psychology. Curiosity, scarcity, and value demonstration rather than desperate pursuit. If this perspective shifts how you think about attraction, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights from a woman's perspective. What's your biggest challenge with creating genuine interest? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my next